You won't believe this. Tesla was supposed to crush the competition, but now they're getting smoked in the electric car war. Wait, what happened? Is Elon too busy launching rockets and renaming his kids to save Tesla? Or is your neighbor's grandma literally out-innovating the world's most famous billionaire? Cybertrucks that look like Minecraft on wheels, but other companies? BYD Hyundai. Ford were quietly dropping EVs that normal people actually want to drive. And get this, BYD, a Chinese company, is now outselling Tesla worldwide. That's right, Tesla is getting BYD'd on its home turf. Why? Tesla's prices keep yo-yoing like my mood after 3 cups of coffee, up, down, up again. Meanwhile, other brands are dropping, affordable EVs, more styles, and actual cup holders. Oh, and let's talk software. Remember when Tesla's full self-driving was going to change the world? Yeah, we're still waiting. Meanwhile, Hyundai's lane assist just saved my friend from eating a mailbox. But here's the plot twist. Tesla fans are loyal, new buyers. They're swiping right on cheaper options with better service and paint that doesn't peel off in the rain. So, is Tesla doomed? Not really. Elon's still got tricks up his sleeve and his memes are fire. But the competition isn't sleeping. They're charging up fast. Here's my question for you. Who do you think is winning the EV war? Ford, Tesla, BYD, Team I Still Drive Gas? Team I Still Drive Gas? Like this video if you've ever wanted to drive a Cybertruck just to look like you're in a video game. And subscribe. I've got more wildcard truths and meme-powered news every week. Wait, before you go, did you spot the hidden meme in this video? Rewind and comment if you found it. Alright, I'm off to test drive my neighbor's electric scooter. TLDR, Tesla got comfy. Competitors made practical cars. Software hype didn't deliver yet. Prices are chaotic. Like this video if you want more hot takes. One like equal sign, I make another. Comment BYD if you think they'll win, or Tesla if you're loyal. Share this with 3 friends. Let YouTube test the video in 3 audiences. Also, my neighbor's scooter gets better gas mileage than my ex's excuses. Oops, wrong clip. Speed test. 2x for drama. Psych. Fact. BYD sales up. Tesla slowed. Fact. Cheaper prices plus better service equal sign new buyers. Fact. Fast chargers rolling out everywhere. Verdict. Tesla's not dead, but they've lost the only game in town crown. Elon will pivot. He always does. But the rest? They're making cars people actually buy. Loop hook time. Did you catch the hidden meme? If you missed it, rewind now. Also, who else wants a Cybertruck selfie? Like, comment the winner, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next week with another spicy take. Peace. Whisper, rewind if you want the secret meme. I see you.